Hi, I'm Steve and this is the Panasonic UB900 Ultra HD Blu-ray player. 4K Blu-ray player. First one I've seen. There is a Samsung K8500. Haven't seen that one yet, but I'm really excited to see what this is like. Okay, early version of the instruction manual, that's good. I shall look at that later. And I have two discs. Actually, when you buy this, it will have San Andreas and Mad Max Fury Road. I appear to have the Lego Movie, which should be fun. Standard Panasonic Blu-ray zapper. The player itself is not quite the size, but not compact either. Feels quite hefty. It's not a lightweight piece of kit. Okay, now looking at the back, we have two HDMIs. You can route audio to your AV receiver, useful if it's not 4K compliant, and a dedicated video lead to your display. There's also phono stereo outs, but also 7.1 as well, so that's interesting. We can route multi-channel direct via analog instead of going over HDMI. There's also an optical and coaxial digital output as well. Move some of this. This is really quite a nice looking piece of kit. SD card slot to the front, USB reader. In addition to being 4K 2160 video, this is also quite a high-end audio player. File compatibility includes DSD and double DSD, and I think Panasonic expects this to appeal to high-end audio users as well as video enthusiasts. It has much of the same audio componentry as the BDT-700, which is the full HD high-end Panasonic player, although I am told by the engineers that it does sound quite different because it uses a reworked power supply and some minor changes to components. Now the BDT-700 sells for $500, at least it did when it first launched. This is $599, so you're not paying a massive premium for 4K. I'm really quite impressed with this. It looks great from the outside. The fascia has got a little chamfered edge. It's also Thx Certified. This is the first 4K Thx source component. I'm really quite excited to see what this can do. LAN port as well, and I'm sure there's integrated Wi-Fi. So I've been waiting a year to have a look at one of these up close, and I think it's going to be an exciting product to test. That's the DMP-UB900 Panasonic 4K UHD Blu-ray player, the first of a new generation. There's quite a nice textured finish to the top of the player, but it's showing up lots of fingerprints and they're not all mine. So obviously this has been opened and tested by the Panasonic PR department before it came to me. The DMP-UB900, as I say, is HDR ready. You can use it with SDR, standard dynamic range 4K TVs. There is a conversion circuit inside the player to do that. It's obviously also fully compatible with regular 2K Blu-rays and 3D Blu-rays.